May Zeus himself strike me down if I'm lying. Hey, didn't strike me though.
My calculations are right. It wasn't raining before and now it's raining now. And there wasn't thunder before and now there's thunder now. And I'm wearing metal. So if my calculations and hypothesis is correct, then that means thunder is going to go off 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shaboom shapow.
Está bien feo el clima. Y si grito Shazam. ¡Shazam!